Mid-August, and we're getting some tropical moisture, and we're really benefiting with the cloud cover, keeping those temperatures down in the 80s. No chance of actual development or organization with this slug of moisture that we've been tracking and expecting for Tuesday and Wednesday. As we headed into this week, you can see it is bringing some rain, especially toward the coast. And look at these clouds, really impressive to see, and how much they're helping with the heat is also impressive for a lot of us. Our temperature at 86 right now at Kenner, downtown New Orleans saying 84. All of our spots pretty much in the 80s, and Grand Isle a cool 78. Light rain happening there. Our feels like temperature mostly in the 90s, a couple of spots, especially farther west, looking for those feels like temperatures in the triple digits. But you can see some of the shower action that's been happening along the coast actually kind of easing a little bit right now. Notice around some parts of St. Bernard and Orleans, right over Algiers and Tarrytown and part of the city on the eastern edge there, you can see a little bit of very light rain. And then also Slidell has been getting a nice shower as well to cool you down at the middle of the day, and also a little downpour here heading out over the Eden Isles area and into the eastern part of Lake Pontchartrain. So on I-10 between say New Orleans East and Irish Bayou or the Twin Spans, you'll have some light rain. Our model, just giving a glance at what we're expecting the rest of the afternoon, it has a little too much rain really, but you can see the trend through 3 p.m. and 4 and 5 p.m. Some scattered showers around. Most of these will be moving. 7 p.m. a little bit of rain still wrapping up. And tonight, 10 p.m. mostly quiet. We'll have partly cloudy skies overnight, and our model does want to paint in a few more showers and storms near the coast early tomorrow, and then spread some of the rain inland tomorrow during the day. So both days we have up to about a 50% rain chance. Not everyone will get rain, but also you have a decent shot at getting some of those showers. And some of the heavier rain tomorrow, our model wants to put off to the east into Mississippi. Even tomorrow evening, 9 p.m., it has a little rain still wrapping up on the North Shore. Today, high temperatures could touch about 90, 91. That's actually a tiny bit below our average high right now, which is 92. Really enjoying those clouds and just not having that bright sunshine just beating down on you if you're trying to do something during the day can also be nice. A nice change. North and South Shore lows in the 70s to about 80 degrees. Here is some troughing to our north. We also have that moisture from the south and two high pressures on either side of our part of Louisiana and Mississippi. However, things will gradually change by the end of this week. Our high pressure centers shift around a little bit, and this one, especially to our east, will expand over us. So I've paused it here. On Saturday, we'll be dealing more with the hotter, more sunshine, drier kind of forecast with only a few spotty showers and storms. So instead of mid 80s, like where we are right now at lunchtime, we'll be getting eventually into the mid 90s probably for this weekend. So that more extreme kind of August heat feel will be back. In the tropics, we have that one named system. This is Tropical Storm Erin, and you can see it's really small and it's not really producing a lot of high cloud tops or a lot of very organized looking rain and cloud swirls. So this is not a very healthy or strengthening kind of system, and it's got a ton of dry air that it is charging straight into. However, it will also not have a lot of wind shear, and it also will be moving over some warmer waters. And so that is why the forecast is still for it to remain a tropical storm for the next couple days, become a hurricane perhaps by the end of this week, the first of the season. And then the National Hurricane Center still has it strengthening, especially out here where it will not perhaps by that point this weekend have as much dry air perhaps, and also not as cool waters as where it is right now. It'll be over warmer water. So our tropical model's very good agreement through Saturday, although how close to the Caribbean islands it comes, we'll have to see. And most of them taking it out somewhere around Bermuda. This big high is going to retreat a little bit and allow it to curve to the north here. And also there will be a trough to the north of it that could draw it slowly off to the north. So we're thinking it should stay to the east of the U.S. East Coast, but of course people along the East Coast will be watching it closely for the start of next week. So several days still to watch Erin as it progresses across the Atlantic. For us, a hotter and drier weekend is what we have to look forward to.